Hey guys, I've been getting a lot of requests for this video. I didn't post a video of this. It was just too much to unpack, but it is brand new. I opened it up, put batteries in it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna have to repost this with better pictures. So let me turn it around. That's a side view right there. So nice little cat up there. This is the back. There's a witch right there. I don't want to unwrap that, but that's a flying witch. Twigs right there. I don't want to unwrap that either. A little guy chilling right there in the river. So here's the switches. So there's two switches. You can barely see them. They're blending pretty good. So this is the on switch here. And that turns on the lights. Let me turn off this light here so you can see a little better. So that turns on these lights right there, the pumpkins, a little flashing light in there, a little flashing light in there. All the back lights are on. The 3 pumpkins in the back are on. And then you push this button right here. There's a button, real small button right there. So that's what it does. Oh. Any questions, guys, let me know. Thanks.